Hey there, it's Explorer Stop. In today's video, we'll be looking at probably the most best city in Ukraine called Odessa. The first topic we're going to start off with is food, my favorite topic. Odessa has flavors from around the world. It has flavors from Georgia, not where Atlanta is, but from the country Georgia. It has Turkish food. Chocolatiers, French food, and there's also an Asian restaurant, sushi and tea, and stuff like that. There's also a restaurant called Compot, and they specialize in drinks and breakfast items. Breakfast like this. And there's also my favorite cafe called Strudel. This modern student restaurant makes food called strudel. It's basically a little pastry. It tastes pretty good. They also make some delicious salads. And most of these restaurants that I just showed are located on a street called the Bustling Street. This is where all the coolest stores and shops are. Because I was just talking about food, let's talk about the rынок. If you don't know what rынок is, it's a marketplace or flea market. It's basically everything you could possibly buy in one place. You can purchase things like vegetables, fruits, fish, shrimp, whatever this guy's making, all kinds of meat. You can buy bread, and all kinds of knockoff brands. Basically anything you like you can buy here. It's basically the Walmart of Odessa, if I can compare it to that. Now let's go to our next destination. The next destination is the location that Odessa is known for, the Black Sea. Right by the shore there's an aquarium called Nemo, and also there's a Nemo Resort. And there's also many restaurants and a pathway where you can walk around and breathe the fresh air. And also by the shore there's a tall sculpture that looks a lot like the sculpture in Washington DC, the White Monument. Another place that attracts tourists to Odessa is this Potemkin Stairs. It was built in 1841, so it's been here for a while. The staircase was in some Russian movies as well. And after a few minutes climbing up those stairs, on top there's a lot of buildings with a lot of beautiful architecture. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.